calculus, but okay. So don't forget we learned SOAP. We're gonna use that in a little bit. Oh, we did 2 examples. Yeah. No, we didn't finish. We didn't finish 6. All right, so we got to this point and it needed to be factored. I think these were what we concluded that it could be broken up into. So. And we're coughing. Okay.
Yeah, when I get respiratory stuff, it literally lasts for months.
Oh, I know. It takes forever. All right, so what does this factor into then?
Oh, Z minus 12Z plus 6Z. Oh yeah.
Oh. That's fine.
Right.
Well, that's fine too.
Yeah, I was just doing another step.
That's fine. We can do that step.
Oh, we don't have to.
We don't have to, but we can. Either way.
Oh.
But then that would be
Okay,
that.
but now it would be Z.
Z.
Take the Z out. So and then Z minus 12 plus you take a 6 out.
I'm trying so hard not to write what the final answer is supposed to be.
I know.
And then Z minus 12. So the answer is Z in parentheses Z plus 6 Z plus Z minus 12.
That's the right answer.
It is the right answer. Hallelujah. All right, 8. 54m to the 5th plus 18m to the 4th plus 9m cubed.
You know, Christian just decided to get sick in everything.
It was better.
Yeah.
I don't know how the class officers all dodged it. Because we were all together and Ariel got sick the next day.
Oh, she's still sick? Oh,
No, it was last weekend she got sick. But we were all together Friday night doing stuff. And then Saturday she started getting sick. And then Sundays when she got really sick. And we're like, how? We do not know how we didn't get sick. Other than a lot of vitamin C.
No, I thought she meant the day after Gina's finger.
I had 5 nosebleeds this weekend.
I heard.
Yeah.
All right. What do I do with this one?
You have to find.
You do the thing.
Wait, can't you take out?
You
Can take out a 9.
3,
9 can go out.
9
9 can go out all.
9 and 3, right? Is that how that works?
Yep. So what is my left with?
54 M to.
What? You take 9 out.
Oh.
6 M 2. This is why I'm here, Joe.
2
I'm going to say if not, he would lead us astray like he did before.
Yeah, 2 M.
plus 1.
I didn't ask y'all to believe.
Can that go any farther? Factors of 6 that add up to 2. No, we're done.
Oh, we're done?
Mhm.
Oh. It doesn't look done, but
Yeah, it doesn't, which is kind of
I
annoying,
don't
but
like
it
the ones
is.
that don't look done. It makes me question my whole existence.
Well, it's kind of what was the point of doing that?
Yeah.
It looks so much worse than it did originally.
Yeah, it looks worse. I'd rather leave it as the top one.
All right, so 10 is where we're getting to SOAP. X cubed plus 8. This is where we need our SOAP.
Oh.
So, 8 is what cubed? 2 cubed. So now I have a cube term and a cube term, so now I just have to take and plug them into the formula
Your sum of 2 cubes.
for that. So We copy down the first, so x, same sign initially, so plus 2
Yes.
times first term squared, so x squared. Opposite sign, so it's going to be minus. Then it is first term times second term, so that's going to be x times 2 or 2x. Always positive, so plus. Last term squared, so 2 squared is 4. And that's it.
Rusty.
Tis it. $12.
Yeah, that also does look way worse.
In the beginning.
All right, 27 m cubed plus 1.
Can we just make 1 cube?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then 27 is what cubed?
3.
So this is 3m cubed plus 1 cubed. Yeah, I write it like that purely for seeing what I'm copying down when I go to do the next step. So I'm going to let y'all tell me what I need to write this time. I did the first one for you.
M plus 2, 1.
1?
2.
Where are you getting 2
I was
from?
looking at the formula for the last problem.
Then times
3m
squared minus
minus 3m.
One.
Right? Wait,
1.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
1. Oh. Yeah. That's the 1.
Plus
3m
3 m's.
plus 1 squared.
Cubed.
1 squared, which is just 1. Okay, then because this term is being squared, you need to do 3m plus 1 times 9m squared minus 3m plus 1. It's done. Nothing else I can do that one.
Oh, because you had to square the. Since you could square a 3.
All right, 16. 192 w cubed minus 3.
Oh, cute. But
I don't know.
Can anything be taken out of both pieces?
3.
3. So 3 times 64 w cubed minus 1.
So then you have to.
I mean, or you could rewrite this as 6w cubed minus the cube root of 3 cubed
No.
if you really wanted, but that just
Worse.
way worse.
All over.
All over. The answer would be pretty brutal. So make sure you keep that 3 out front because we took it out, but it didn't disappear. It's just
Yeah.
hanging out.
So then you have to cube the 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
And cubed is 16.
Yeah. So I can rewrite this here.
4 cubed.
4 cubed. So 4w cubed minus 1 cubed is how I can think about it. So 3 times what? What would my first parentheses be?
It would be
4w minus -1, so
you don't take the sign with it. The sign is,
Minus.
yep, it's just the number. The only thing that this sign here does is tell you what's happening when you move it over.
Squared.
So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that as 16w squared to save a step.
Plus 4w minus 1, which is just 4w.
Done.
Plus 1.
Alright, the next ones say to maybe factor by grouping. That's probably the last thing we're going to actually do at this section because the rest of it is just kind of repetitive. Just don't really need to do it. So 18 x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1. So factor by grouping, you group the first two and the last two and you find whatever's in common and take it out. So what can I take out of the first two?
X squared.
And leaves you with
X.
1.
Plus 1. Oh.
So I took an x squared out of this one and left me with an x. Taking x squared out of this leaves me with 1. Can I take anything out of the second one? Okay, by technical definition, I'm taking out a 1. Okay, and then I'm left with x plus 1. And I say that because these two things have to match.
Yes.
So then I have x squared plus 1 times x plus 1.
That's basically just like the end of factoring. You basically skip
Yeah, you just skip the initial step. That's
which I'm okay with.
all right. 20. Oops. N cubed plus 5n squared minus 9n minus 45.
So you take an n squared out of this first.
Okay, leaves you with.
N
N plus 5.
plus
Okay.
And then you're on
minus 9. N plus 5.
Okay. So that gives me n squared minus 9 times n plus 5. It says factor completely, so have I done that? What is this?
Oh, it can be,
Difference of
Difference of squares, so what does that factor into?
n
minus-
plus 3 n minus 3.
Yep. So always make sure you've gone as far as you can.
Got me there.
So it's not factored completely if it's not all the way done. Alright, last one. 25s cubed minus 100s squared minus s plus 4. Okay, these need to change to like x's because that's really irritating me.
Yeah, the S is.
They look like 5s and there's nothing I can do about it. Unless I start writing like an integral like in calculus where I make it like really obvious that it's, you know, an s, then
S.
Let's see.
I used to do like cursive S's, so I want to get confused.
I hate cursive s's.
They look
They're
kind
like,
of weird, but like they help.
it looks weird.
It does. I would do, like,
But that's all because I
lowercase.
always had to do that for my name.
Kind of looks like a book.
But I don't do it like that now. Now I do it like this. And then I just make it, I don't know. Now I just make it like look kind of fancy and kind of
Mine
unlegible.
looks like a 5-year-old version, but it's fine. I had
Mine
to-
is just my name in cursive. 'Cause
Yeah, I had to, like,
just,
relearn how to
feel
write
like
print,
coming
like,
up with
the
the
third.
signature.
All right.
Take out the 25x squared.
Leaves you with
25.
And did you with x?
X.
Where?
4. And then minus 1 leaves you with x minus 4. So 25x squared minus 1 x minus 4.
We're done.
10.
Negative. What's this?
Oh,
Is that a difference?
it's a
At the
5.
minute. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
I mean,
Five.
well, yeah, it's a
So
5x
plus 1, 5x minus 1.
Done.
Now we're
And I'm giving you a lot of homework for this section.
Oh,
7, 11, 15, and 21.
no.
Oh, I
Don't do
scribbled it.
that.